Why do I need an umbrella? I'm not scared of the sun. All right, everybody load it up. Ready to ride? Good morning, folks. Rolling out in the tricycle. Headed over, handle a little business. Got the ladies and the babies in tow. It is another hot one today here in the Philippines. It's hot, I ain't gonna lie. Caribbean dream. I love that picture right there, my goodness. That is one blue building right there. Coming up here by the Memphis bar. The starboard side of the aircraft. One of them bars is called the Memphis bar. I'm not sure if it's the red one or the green one. When I look at them, it makes me think of Christmas. The Christmas bars. That's what I'm gonna call them. Had some wild times up in the Christmas bars throughout the years. My chanillas. Oh, there's my chanillas. All right, rock these Crocs. Like these fake Crocs, baby. Folks, we're having a little date night going on right now, but it's like date afternoon. Me and wife number 2 gonna spend a little Tender Roni time going up to get the dog a haircut. What you making there, baby? Baby, you love to eat them bananas just like Maria. Yeah, folks, get a little Tender Roni time going on. Out for a little jaunt with wife number 2 here. It's the first Tender Roni time we've had alone in a long time, baby. Honey, I'm trying to talk about romance and love, and you looking for shumai. Yeah. Honey, it's not raining. I don't think we need that umbrella, do we?
It's hot.
I'm just trying to hide from that sun, baby. Cause you know, cause I found all them skin whitening products. Look at it. Got the umbrella. It ain't even raining.
It's hot, no?
Baby, it's the Philippines. Of course it's hot. It's goodness.
I need to protect my skin.
Can we concentrate on getting me a haircut and being romantic on this date instead of worrying about the sun?
Boy, I need to protect my skin.
Baby, look at this. I'm darker than you. Look at my skin. I'm darker than you. Look at this.
Yeah.
You look like a white girl next to me. That's the salon back there. I'm going to the barber shop.
Where's the barber shop?
Right up here, across from the VFW. No thank you, my buddy. No thank you.
No thank you, no thank you.
I don't know if I'm going to get a trim or if I'm going to get it cut short, baby. What should I do? What you recommend? You want it short or a trim?
Huh?
You want it short or just a trim?
A short?
You like it short? Why you like it short?
After
I might want to grow it long. I'm going full Billy Ray Cyrus on you.
After you do it again.
Alright, folks, gonna get this cut off right here. The only reason Fatima came with me, it wasn't because she was concerned. It was because she wanted to come over here and get some type of food. What you want, baby? Huh?
I'm looking at shumai.
You're looking for shumai?
Yeah.
Baby, there's no, I told you there's no shumai up here.
Why not?
Where the Lechon Balboy is. They're just now getting it fired up. See, Lechon Manoka and Liempo, 180. But I ain't seen no shumai. This is Bunny Burger. They got burgers here. Drunken Duck's Resto Bar. But I have not seen the shumai place.
In there or in the other?
Yeah, buy one, take one beef shawarma. Oh, yeah, look at this old. Wow. I told you there was no shumai up there.
You have like,
Where?
no.
There's no shumai.
Yeah.
200 pesos, haircut and a shave. Not bad, $4 US. Now if you're on a strict budget, there's a dude over corner over here does 60 pesos for the goop it, for the haircut. That's $1.20. I don't know how much he charges on the shave. Look at that. Dude got me fixed up.
Maybe
Looking
100,
fresh
100.
and crisp. Cause I got the money in my pocket. But the good thing is, folks, it's her money. I got 1,000 pesos from her. All right, baby, let's see what we got here.
Pabili ng shumai.
Oh, they do have shumai right there. He's got all kinds of stuff here. Fatima loves those fried fish there. Ooh, got shrimp too.
Yeah, buttered shrimp.
Buttered shrimp. That looks delicious. There's the shumai. How many you gonna get, baby? 50. Or 50? How many? By how many pieces?
For one, 5 pesos.
5 pesos each. Are you gonna get Janice some?
May lagay mo na lang yung sauce. May kalamansi dyan, be?
Wala. Ay, okay lang yung kalamansi.
Ayaw mong kalamansi?
Mayroong kalamansi sa bahay.
Honey, are you gonna share with Janice and the babies?
Yeah.
Yeah? Maybe you need 2 cups.
Sige. Te, anuhan mo pa ng 50, te. Anuhan mo pa ng isang 50.
Because I know that's not enough for you and everybody. Little sauce.
Abot ako niyan, be. Lang, be.
100.
100?
Yeah.
All right, so $2 US, so $1 each on the shumai. Let's stop by the Sorry store, baby, get some ooling.
What one?
Yeah, see my girlfriend. Hey, they got some ooling right here. Usually they do. I gotta get some drinks anyhow. Go buy Marley.
10.
Yeah, 10 pieces. That's where the babies like to come, folks. Get the ice cream. This is just our little sorry store we always come to. We got chips. Drinks over here. Come on, baby. Will you buy me a Red Bull, baby? Buy me a Red Bull. Can you treat me to a Red Bull since I'm not drinking no beers? Honey, you just smell the bottle. You can't smell it unless you open it. My gas is almost crazy. But I just give you a look around. Got all kinds of stuff in here. This is a pretty good, pretty stock little store. Ooh, Carlo Rossi. Ooh, California Red. Got some liquor. Sauces over there. Pretty much.
No liquor for you.
Nah, I'm not here. I'm not in the market for no liquor. Got shampoo.
Yeah.
Everything you need here. Need anything else for the babies? You want to get some chips?
No, you have chips in there.
They got chips. We'll buy some bread.
Okay, go buy a bread.
Huh? I get it.
Which one?
You see the regular breads, okay?
Get a small, eh?
You want a small one? Where's the small ones at?
You small? This one. Ito tayo.
Oh, okay. You get a half a loaf?
Magkano lahat?
Eggs.
Only egg. You going to buy egg?
You want some eggs? For
I don't
breakfast?
know. Yeah, sure.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Alright, get some, baby.
There, in your back.
Oh, let me get out the way.
Aten, ate. Oh, hold this. Oh, hold this. Oh, pull 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 this.
Folks, you see the stress on one. Oh, good job, baby. Oh, good job, baby. Good job. You broke an egg already.
3, 4, 5, 306 lahat. 7, 8.
Hey, as soon as you get home, cook that egg now.
Magkano lahat? 306. 1,
306
3.
is
Give me the
$6.
50.
Huh? Hey, no, give me that 100 back.
Take it. Where's
Yeah,
the
look.
50?
That's my 50.
No.
Baby, I had a pocket full of money till you got in there. Yeah, don't drop them eggs. As soon as you get home, you cook that egg, okay? Baby,
This.
it's still good as long as you cook as soon as you get back.
Thank you. Let's
Thank
go.
you. I'll buy my own shirt then.
Hoy, go get the uling. Hoy, go get the uling. Hoy, go get the uling. Hoy, go get the uling.
Where's the uling?
It's there.
Where?
Ano nga?
Oh, both of these or just one?
Yeah.
Both?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Oh, baby,
No,
you hurt my back.
Get that. Give me that. Give me this.
Baby, look, that's not putting any additional weight. If you want to help, you take a bag of charcoal. My gosh. All right, buddy. Folks, you see the stress I'm under with this woman. I'm 50 years old almost. Pirate looking at 50. But I got these 32-inch pythons. So pretty today, baby. This is our first little romantic outing in a long time.
Romantic ka dyan.
Romantic.
If this is romantic, you na let me carry this.
Let you carry what? The eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm supposed to carry those too?
Of course.
My gosh. Teresa just had a little mobile market come by and she saw them grapes. They got everything, bananas, broccoli, potatoes,
Watermelon only.
watermelons, got tomatoes, everything here.
There yun, isang
They just pull by and we just wave them down. How can you beat that?
You're only 150, sir.
150 for the watermelon?
Yes.
matamis
I talked to my wife, she got the money.
Mura lang, te. Sa iba, 250 ito.
I don't have any more money in my pocket, baby.
Sa te, 150 mura lang.
Ay, wag na yan at kuya kasi kulang yung pera ko.
Ano ka?
Wag na yan.
All right, got some grapes?
Yeah,
Good deal. Yeah, you carry those, baby. I don't,
So it means this is not romantic.
it's only romantic if I carry everything. All right, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Now that's a chair right there. You see, y'all complain about that broom, but look at that chair. That chair was broken. Somebody fix that chair. You can fix my broom.